in Photoshop we will create the design, explore the changes here. I will add another design. Use the different option. We will find that shape, creating that designs as well. Let's have a design there. We use shapes as well. Also make the changes. We will find a design there, let us paint with it. Use that structure.